The compact design, plug-and-play installation, quiet operation and maximum cleaning efficiency, this is a main feature that describes the new filter from Nederman. Hello everyone, my name is Małgorzata Kurek and I am happy to present the new Nederman filter from MCP family, MCP-GO. MCP-GO is a compact dust collector for a wide variety of applications that produce low to medium amount non-combustible dust, especially for welding. The new filter MCP-GO was developed for continuous operation during dust collection, filtration in industrial processes to protect workers from contamination. The MCP-GO dust filter consists of three main sections: a clean chamber covered by silencer with a 4 or 5.5 kilowatts exhaust fan, filter chamber with 6 filter cartridges, and dust bin for the filter product. The filter cartridges are made of the polyester material with nanofiber coating. Cartridge filters are regenerated using the jet pulse method. The MCP-GO has several versions of cleaning control depending on the user's need. Standard controls with inverter to increase energy efficiency, and advanced Nederman inside control that gives you full control of the filter and accessories. Operation statuses and alarms are displayed on the controller panel. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit our website where you will find more information about the new MCP-GO filter.